Hello children, today we will learn about life in the eastern coastal region. The eastern coastal region extends from West Bengal to Kanyakumari. It includes parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. The eastern coastal plain is wider than the western coastal plain. Look at the map of India. It is West Bengal. Eastern coastal plain extends from West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu till Kanyakumari. It is the eastern coastal plain. Now we will look Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Rice is the main crop. Other important crops are oil seeds, pulses, jute, sugarcane and coconut. Oriya is the main language. Odisha is rich in minerals. It is one of the leading producers of high quality iron ore. There is a big steel plant at Rourkela. You have to bracket the capital of Odisha and the main language and the big steel plant at Rourkela. The town of Puri is the site of Jagannath temple. Its Ratha Yatra or chariot festival attracts thousands of people. Konark has a temple in the form of chariot of the sun. Odissi is the classical dance form of Odisha. It has a variety of folk dances. Paradeep is a big port at the Mahanadi river. Then bracket the sentence. Paradeep is a big port at the Mahanadi river and the classical dance form of Odisha is Odissi. Andhra Pradesh. You have already read about Andhra Pradesh. The Godavari and Krishna form their delta in this part. Rice is the main crop grown here. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam is situated on the coast. It's an important seaport. It also has an oil refinery and an iron and steel plant. Then bracket the sentence. Rice is the main crop. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam is the important seaport and it has iron and steel plant and oil refinery. Now Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. Chennai, earlier known as Madras, is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is the fourth largest city in India. Most of the people of Tamil Nadu are either farmers or fishermen. Kaveri is the important river. It forms a delta in Tamil Nadu. Tamil is the main language of the people. Rice, groundnut, cotton, banana, coffee, tea, rubber and sugarcane are important crops. Mudumalai Sanctuary and Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary are in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the most industrialized states in India. Cotton spinning and weaving are major industries, followed by the production of automobiles, motorcycle, fertilizers, chemicals, etc. The railway coach factory at Perambur is one of the largest in Asia. Tanks are made at Avadi near Chennai. Tamil Nadu is rich in handicrafts. Notable among them are handloom, silk, leatherwork, kalamkari, painted fabric using natural dyes, carved wood and cane articles. Bharatanatyam is classical dance form. To the south of Chennai is Mamalapuram, which is famous for wonderful stone carvings and temples. Then you have to bracket. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Tamil is the main language. Mudumalai Sanctuary and Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary are in Tamil Nadu. The railway coach factory at Perambur is one of the largest in Asia. Bharatanatyam is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Now Puducherry. It is an union territory. Puducherry or Pondicherry was ruled by the French for many years. It lies on the Coromandel coast south of Chennai. In Puducherry, the people speak Tamil and French. Aurobindo Ashram is a very famous place of Puducherry. Auroville, the city of dawn, is in Puducherry. It is the main city of Puducherry. People are farmers. They grow rice, sugar, oil seeds and coconuts. Now, Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the southernmost part of the Indian mainland. Bracket the sentence. It is in Tamil Nadu. At Kanyakumari, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, and the Arabian Sea meet. The Vivekananda Rock Temple has been built near the coast. Then you have to bracket the Vivekananda Rock Temple has been built near the coast of Coromandel coast. And at Kanyakumari, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, and the Arabian Sea meet. Look at the map of India. It is Arabian Sea, it is Bay of Bengal, it is Indian Ocean. And here is the Kanyakumari. That means at Kanyakumari, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal meet. It is at the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. Look, it is the Vivekananda Temple at Indian Ocean. Now we will have a look at the main points. Main rivers that flow through the eastern coastal region also form very fertile deltas are Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, and these deltas are called the rice bowls of India. Important seaports are Kolkata in West Bengal, Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Paradeep in Odisha, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. And let's have a look at the states and capitals. West Bengal, Kolkata, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and the Union Territory, Puducherry, is having the main city, Auroville.